Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the screen shake settings in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here select graphics. Scroll to the very bottom, and at the bottom is the screen shake option. Currently it is set to 100%, you can set it to any value between 10 and 100%. After you make your choice, let's say I set it to 60 or something close to 60. There is another setting you can change, the walker camera shake, where you can change, well, the camera shake that affects you when you either when walker walks or when you are looking through the perspective of the walker. Adjust it on the same type of gauge, 100% max, 0% minimum, and I will adjust it to my liking, I guess 59% it is. After you're done here, simply hit apply and close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.